Vivian in Austin has tankless water heater trouble.
Well, they moved there about a year and a half ago, right? Vivian writes, we have a Renai tankless water heater. Put it in about 6 or 7 years earlier. The first summer in the house, we had problems with cold showers. They'd be hot for a moment, then the tankless seemed to switch off, and the rest of the shower is cold. And the faucet, meanwhile, in the bathroom runs hot water easily, despite these issues with the shower. But as the season cools, this is the twist in this one, as the season cools, the hot water returns in the shower. What do you think?
It's the limit switch. It's kicking off.
Oh.
When you have an on-demand water heater, if it starts to overheat or there's not enough water going through it, then it'll kick off because it doesn't want to burn itself up. With an on-demand water heater, you don't want to mix hot and cold in the shower. Maybe just a little bit, but you want it to be just turn on all the hot water you want, set it to the temperature you're comfortable in, and if you have to mix a little cold, it's okay, but if you're mixing it like a standard system, it's not going to run enough hot water through there. When you turn your sink on, it's running full blast on that hot side, and it's fine. But when it's in a shower, you got to get rid of this idea that you have to mix a lot of cold with hot.
So why is it when the weather cools off, it stops doing that?
Because you use less cold water and you let the hot water run more.
There it is.
Okay, it's the demand of the water. The water heater's just wanting to have more water come through it. That's it.
That's all.
Very common question with people who just getting these new on-demand water heaters.
Well, she's had 6 or 7 years of cold shower.
We've been here for 6 or 7 years.
They moved a year and a half ago. So,
okay.
So I assume the people before them had cold showers too. But now, no more. You'll be hot in Austin. And you can be warm in your water or whatever other issue you're facing if you just send us your question. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. There's a button right in the middle. Click on the Ask Tom button. We'll take a look at your question, use it in one of these videos, or maybe even post it on Facebook.
Ding!